Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys. Today I'm going to pack my suitcase with you. Let's go to Mexico! So as you guys know, Brian's not coming on this trip. I'm kind of excited for a girls trip. Don't tell him I said that. Anyway, so you guys have seen my luggage, you guys have seen carry-on versus check bag, you guys have seen all sorts of stuff, but today you're gonna actually see me pack, and that is where the magic happens. If you guys like these packing videos or want to see more of us vlogging live from trips, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications, and like this video if you want to see more packing tips. So let's go ahead and get started. So these are all of my items that I'm bringing besides my clothes. So toiletries, accessories, everything like that. So let's go ahead and dig into this. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of stuff to show you guys. So this is all the important stuff. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with, I have everything kind of organized by stuff right now. So it's all in little boxes just to kind of show you. I'm an organizational freak. Like, my house is a mess, but on a trip I'm super organized. First, obviously, we're going to start with my passport. This is a really pretty case that I got off of Etsy, I think, but the maker was from Russia and it's really cute. Christy, that's going with me, actually has a matching one, but hers is kind of pink, so I'm sure you'll see that somewhere on the vlog. And then these are important documents. So I actually have my COVID vaccine card, I have my regular yellow vaccine card, and then I have my marriage license, just because my passport still says my maiden name and everything else says my married name. Travel wallet, where I just have my driver's license, I have my travel credit cards and a normal debit card. I have a bunch of pens that I'm bringing with me, just because you're gonna have to fill out things on the plane sometimes when you enter different countries. A lock, because you never know when you need to lock your stuff. I'm going to probably attach it to things when we go swimming to make sure our belongings are still there when we come back. I'm gonna bring a fan because it's gonna be really hot, and this fan was like, oh, look at my hair. Am I Beyonce? American money and all of my pesos. What I actually do when it comes to money on a trip is I pack them all in separate envelopes. So we're gonna be on the trip for 4 days. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 envelopes, one for each day. Not only does that help me actually stay on a budget, but it's going to help me in case, fingers crossed, knock on wood, don't want to get mugged. You know, if for some reason something like that does happen to us, I really hope it doesn't. I'm only gonna have 1 day's worth of money on me when we're walking around, so that's really going to help. I did do a 5th envelope just because that's what I'll put American money in. This is a dry bag that can actually roll down and lock so that everything stays nice and dry if you're in the water. So I'm definitely going to be packing this, like antibacterial wipes for the plane or for whatever else. I do have mosquito wipes. I haven't really looked up to see if the bugs are gonna be bad. I do travel with baby wipes, because sometimes, you know, you run out of toilet paper or something like that. So I always have these in my purse. Plus, if you spill and you're sticky, lots of tequila, you know, you need a baby wipe. Oh, perfect. I do have my beloved little word search book that I bring with me on every trip. I have my prescription sunglasses, regular sunglasses. I am super blind without my contacts. This is a little bag that I'm going to be putting these types of things in. My toothbrush. I have a little wet brush that I use, especially if you're going on a beach trip, you want to brush your hair. Hair ties, Q-tips, I'm kind of a freak about those. Stomach medication, Dramamine, Band-Aids galore, and then all of my daily contacts for when I am gone. Pack all of these things in here. This all fits in there. Also, I'm going to get into my liquids in a second, but deodorant isn't really a liquid, so I'm going to put that in here instead. I have all my liquids in here. You do have to put them in plastic bags. Let's start with skincare. I have a little face wash. I have moisturizer. You guys, this stuff is the best. It's medical grade skincare. It's amazing. Through quarantine, I got extremely obsessed with no longer looking like I was the age that I was. This is Hydratint by the same company. My little face spray that I like to bring on the plane with me, and just to freshen up, like you get off the plane and you're like, oh, so nice. Toothpaste, it's a 10. It's a leave-in for hair, so especially if I'm going to be swimming in cenotes and stuff and my hair is going to get so gross, so this is really going to help with that. So that is one little baggie. Shampoo, conditioner, I use Joico, just a nice little body wash, and then I have 2 things of sunscreen, and this is my liquid. So I do have 2 liquid bags. A lot of countries are really strict and only want you to bring 1. I'm probably gonna get away with 2 and it'll be fine, but if not, for some reason, this is my more expensive bag, so I will totally throw these out. This is my GoPro. It's not really a GoPro, an Amazon version of GoPro, but it's great. Everything accessories wise, charging wise, that goes in there. I am going to bring a little mini umbrella. Technically hurricane season. Pros of hurricane season, we can go to Mexico for really cheap. Cons of hurricane season is, you know, hurricanes. Okay, so don't judge, but this is a road trip, and if you guys are anything like me, when you go on a road trip, you like to eat like you're a kid. So I brought this humongous bag of Swedish fish that's bigger than my head, and licorice, and, you know, like candy. So I'll probably eat healthy too, but this trip might be like candy and tequila and tacos. It's okay. I do have this makeup bag. Actually, in here I do have earrings first. I love to pack nice colorful things when I go on fun colorful vacations. So here I have my brushes, and then I just kind of have essentials, honestly, to just have a nice looking face. So, you know, concealer, BB cream, brows, mascara, bronzer, one tiny little eyeshadow palette. As much as I love to play with eyeshadow, I'm only bringing one little thing, some powder and some blush. I mean, so easy. I've traveled with girls that have brought everything in their makeup kit. Oh my God, you guys. I'm gone for 4 days. I don't even need all of this. I'm only bringing makeup because I know I'm going to be filming. And I look so scary without makeup on. I am going to pack 2 towels with me. I went to Walmart and got $5 towels. What I'm gonna do is, on one side of my carry-on, pack these 2 towels, use them, and then leave them there, and then I can bring home everything I shop in place of the space that these took up in the suitcase. Last but not least, for this section, I have electronics. This might not be what I pack it in, because I do have a lot of electronic stuff that I am packing because you guys like our videos, so that's your fault. Camera batteries. This is a universal charger that can charge in every country, so I'm bringing this. This is a car USB because we are doing a road trip. I have an external battery charger so that that can, you know, be souped up and use that for our phones. I do have my AirPods. In addition to my AirPods, I do have regular headphones because I'm flying Delta and they have seat back entertainment, so I can watch some movies. And then just tons of chargers. And then I do have just a normal block where I can still plug it right into that, and it does still have USB ports on the side. Besides the camera that is right there right now, that is about it. Now that I've shown you all of that, let's go ahead and show you the clothes I brought. Let's see how much of an overpacking job I'm going to do, or if I'm gonna do. Okay, so first I need to figure out what I'm bringing on the plane. And now that I'm saying that, I realize I don't have anything like long sleeve. So I'll have to bring something long sleeve. On the plane, typically I would wear leggings or something like that, but I'm not bringing leggings when it's gonna be 100 degrees in Mexico. These shorts, this shirt, out of here, I will wear you on Tuesday morning. This is a compression packing cube. Normal packing cubes are really good for organization, and then they have a little bit of compression but not anything too crazy. So then I saw a video recently about compression cubes and I was like, are they any better? But you guys, it's pretty good. I brought them on the honeymoon. I really like it. So this is about the size that it would be if it was a normal packing cube, but it's compression. And then this is the hard part. These are all my clothes. These are all my clothes. That is all I am bringing. Done. So here is this one for bathing suits, and fill this one up. This one still has so much more room. So, clothes, bathing suits. Between these, I've got my shoes, I have a hat, and I have all of the other stuff I just showed you. So let's pack it all. Wish me luck. You guys saw which suitcase I fell in love with, the Beis carry-on bag. So let's pack her up. Here she is, ready for her first time on a plane. Whoops. Okay. This is that dry bag I told you, so I'm just gonna lay that totally flat. It's my first time packing this bag. I don't know what I want to do. Packing cube. Packing cube. Shoes. Okay. Maybe one of these towels. Maybe two of them. Perfect. Guys, I haven't worked on my Spanish at all. It's kind of crazy. I'm not even gonna get around easily. My hat. So this I'm totally gonna wear at Chichen Itza like some stupid Bohemian girl, but it's a photo op. It's gonna look so cute. Full of stuff, and then pack everything else around it so it actually stays in its shape. A lot of people think like these or the sun hats that you have to just wear them on the plane or something because you can't pack it, but guess what? You can pack it, you just haven't learned how until now. Glasses. And maybe toiletries. I can pack these, one of these. Let's do a makeup bag, GoPro. Yeah. I think that's it, because everything else is going to go into my personal item bag. So, Ooh. She's packed. You think she's happy? Okay, so let's go pack the personal item. It's literally so hot in here. I can't even pack. This is a backpack that I just got from a random store in Portugal once when I think I was on a trip and a backpack broke. I'm not really sure. But the thing I like about it the most is how many random pockets it has, and that the bottom actually expands and gets deeper if I need it to. So one thing I haven't mentioned yet is, ladies, we're gonna bring a purse, right? But you have your carry-on, you have your personal item, which in this case is my backpack. Nowhere in that does it say your Marc Jacobs purse. I want to bring this on the trip with me, but I'm not going to bring it with me in the airport. I'm going to pack it in my personal item. So in my purse, I have put the American money and the Mexico money with the envelopes, my wallet, and that literally just hit me in the face. But I don't need it while I'm at the airport because I have my passport to get through security, and then I'm not buying anything at the airport because I have lounge access Thanks to my American Express Platinum card, I can get into the lounges where I can eat and drink for free before the flight. So I'm also going to put my sunglasses in there because I don't need them until I land. So this is going to go on the very bottom. Toiletries number 1 and toiletries number 2. My passport. You know, when I sit in my seat and all I have is my tray and my seat back entertainment, I'm going to have a little airplane bag with me. That's what I call it. So I just get a nice little zipper pouch like this, and I fill it with essentials that if I'm not going to get out of my seat, then I don't need to get up at all to get anything. So and that just goes right in the little pocket. These are all of the rest of my electronics that I really don't need on the plane, but that will go in there. And then the most snacks in the world. That's only this much of this backpack. I am going to have my camera with me as well, which of course I am filming on right now. You guys, I got a new camera too. Can you tell the difference in the quality? It's the Sony ZV-1 and I love it. It's so great and it's cute and compact, so I'm really excited to bring it to Mexico with me. That's really it. I think I've packed everything. Oh, I have a phone. I'll probably just have that in my hand the whole time, to be honest, but if not, I'll just put it there. The only other thing that I think I might bring is a water bottle, but other than that, that is everything that I'm going to pack. A lot of my big tips and tricks I didn't really have to use for this trip because I'm only going for 4 days. Oh my God, why am I... Delta let me include one of these because it's carry-on size and a personal item. So that is why I chose Delta over Spirit this time. It was $50 more than the Spirit flight, but it includes a bag both ways, and Spirit is ridiculous with their bag charges. So this is everything that I'm bringing, and I can't wait to bring you guys to Mexico with me on my new camera, and we'll have a really good time. So I hope this video was helpful. I can't wait to pack on more trips with you. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel so that you can follow us on all of our trips and get more helpful videos like this one. Please like it and comment if you have any questions, and turn on the notifications so that you can get notified every time we post a new video. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you soon. Adios, because I'm going to Mexico.